Good evening, everybody. Welcome to A Diary to My Kids. Tonight we are going to be installing a Rcbs full-length resizing die for a 270 caliber. So this is the die. Just get it into view here. That we'll be installing. Just want to back off the locking ring. You'll see the grub screws loose. Everything's ready. The first thing I'm going to do is just going to bring the ram with the shoulder up. There you can see it's coming up, and start screwing in the resizing die until it touches the shoulder on the ram. There we go, it touches. So I'm just going to tighten down a little bit, make sure nothing moves. As soon as it touches, I'm going to screw down another 1/8 of a turn. There we go. All parts is still movable, and now we're going to just move down the locking ring into position so you can lock down your setting for this die. So we can do a quick test. I've got a 270 casing here that needs to be resized and deprimed. I'm going to be using this Imperial Resizing Die wax. Just want to show you Imperial Resizing Die wax to do the resizing. Had it a couple of years, works pretty well. Just get a small swab and put it on the sides of the casing. Slide it into shoulder. Let's resize. Primer gets ejected. And the casing is resized. Primer out, primer pocket, and ready to go into the tumbler for cleaning. Next step, last step here is just to back out the sizing die and to tighten down the grub screw. Just make sure you don't move your lock ring, otherwise you might lose your settings. There we go, and tighten down. Great. That's it for tonight. Thank you everybody for joining.